New here at 3, for the second time since he took office 4 years ago, Indiana Attorney General Todd Rokita is facing misconduct allegations brought forward by the state Supreme Court's disciplinary committee. More Giles explains why in this breaking news alert.
Well, Myra, this disciplinary committee is appointed by the Indiana Supreme Court. They investigate attorney misconduct, and believe it or not, these new allegations all have to do with how Rokita responded to his first reprimand back in 2023. That's because when Attorney General Rokita was first reprimanded, he had to make a sworn statement to the Indiana Supreme Court admitting that he acted unprofessionally when he went on national news to criticize an abortion doctor, making misleading statements about that doctor. Well, the court at the time accepted his admission and spared him any further discipline. But the commission then found that just 2 hours afterwards, Rokita almost immediately released a statement to the media contradicting his own sworn admission to the court, saying that he was being treated unfairly by them and he was being punished and that he was truthful in what he said about that doctor. So now the commission is charging him once again for 3 conduct violations. 1 charge for making false statements to the Supreme Court, 1 for engaging in dishonest behavior, and a 3rd for issuing a press release that contradicted his sworn agreement. Now that the commission has formally filed a complaint against him, this will likely go before a judge and then to the Indiana Supreme Court to determine how Rokita should be punished, if at all. And Myra, just within the past couple of minutes, we actually received a statement from Attorney General Rokita on these new charges. I want to read a brief portion of it for you. He tells me, "The claim that my press statement contradicts the agreement is wrong. The agreement required me to acknowledge the disciplinary process and accept the reprimand, which I did." And he says it did not require me to forfeit my right to speak truthfully about what happened regarding a major political and policy matter. So clearly a high-profile case here. Rokita doubling down on the idea that he did nothing wrong here. So certainly something we'll have to keep a close eye on as this progresses. Myra.